What will be the cutoff for government colleges? Only 90 seats in government colleges. IQ management quota, give money and take admission. Will you get a government college in 250 marks? What are the top private colleges? What are the cutoff for KJ, Sancheti and Tetna? Stay tuned and watch the video to know all this. Hello everyone, hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student from Mumbai, and I hope you are doing fine and welcome back to a new video. So, आप सभी की all the NEET 2025 aspirants watching this video, of course your NEET exam is now finally over and तुम लोग का exam paper was definitely difficult and ऐसा बोल रहे कि 2016 के पेपर से भी ज़्यादा difficult आया. lot of you all are scoring very less. In fact, like मैंने जितने भी सुने हैं on Instagram, YouTube, whatever, not even a single person has said the paper was good. Like biology was easy, but it was very lengthy and conceptual. Physics was J advanced level, something like that, and chemistry was also very difficult and everything. So the overall your exam was very difficult is what I conclude from the information जो मुझे मिली है. And of course, like the answer keys from various websites are finally out. So तुम लोग ने approximately score निकाल दिया होगा how much you all are scoring. So मैंने basically have like analyzed a little, written down everything like properly here, and I'll be just telling you all what I think the cutoff will be for physiotherapy. So in this video, I'll be telling you all the expected cutoff for physiotherapy in Maharashtra. So if you are interested to know क्या होगा, कितना seat intake है, वो भी मैं roughly बताऊंगी. And fees approximately, this video is not very detailed to colleges, but it is like कि कौन से स्कोर में कौन सी कॉलेज मिल सकती है वैसा वीडियो. So let's get started. And before starting the main video, one thing I want to tell you all कि the paper was difficult, but सबका paper difficult गया. It's not that only your paper was difficult, right? So I feel कि marks, of course you need good marks, but marks से भी ज़्यादा rank matter करती है कि because the cutoff, like the college का cutoff shuts on rank and not marks. So I feel अगर सबका पेपर खराब गया तो सबकी rank का inflation नीचे होगा. Like शायद से the topper would be 700 and not like 10-15 people getting 720 this year. So the overall cutoff will come high. And I have heard that MBBS cutoff can come like for government 580, which your last year like around 630 and everything. So just don't cry upon, like of course it was difficult. I understand you're feeling bad, but at the same time सबका difficult गया है. So if you've genuinely worked hard, so you have of course done better than what other people have done. So yeah, so let's get started with the main video. First, how the cutoff will be. Of course ये time cutoff काफी नीचे आ जाएगा because the paper was very difficult and a lot of people have scored very less marks. So overall the cutoff, because last year का cutoff देख के in my previous video I said the cutoff would be 550, but of course अभी that is not the scene because 550 में I feel MBBS private का admission चालू होगा, so here the cutoff will be very less. So if you exactly want to know the analysis I have done, so keep watching the video till the end. So for government colleges in total, we have 4 government colleges, 3 in Mumbai and 1 in Nagpur. In Mumbai, we have St. GS KM Physiotherapy College, then we have LTMC Sion, and the third one we have Topiwala. And the fourth one in Nagpur is the GMC Nagpur. So government की total seats are only 90. Like पूरे महाराष्ट्र में government colleges का only 90 seats per year है. And I'll give you the exact कि कौन से में किसमें. LTMC Sion we only have 10 seats. In St. GS KM we have 40 seats, Topiwala 10 seats, and Nagpur GMC Nagpur we have 10 seats. So you can understand कि कितने लोग every year they apply for physiotherapy, and of course everyone's first choice would be government due to so many reasons like fees कम है, better exposure, government hospitals, all of that. So I feel कि getting admission into government is थोड़ा सा difficult and the MBBS cutoff is going नीचे. So similarly BBT cutoff will also go down. So I feel this year for government 420 plus marks are enough is what I think. Like I was saying the cutoff won't go that low कि of course 200-300 में you will get government colleges and उसमें से भी open category के लिए सिर्फ around 31 seats है. So getting into government colleges is definitely very difficult. पर approximate cutoff for general open category would be 420 And considering OBC, SC, ST and EWS whatever, I feel 380, 390 would be a safe score. ये जो मैं कट ऑफ बोल रही हूँ that is mostly till like first, second or third round जिसमें admission मिलना is good. If you wait till stray vacancy round and everything, so that can even turn out to be very risky because there is no guarantee कि you will get a college. So getting into any college by first, second or third round is very important. And similarly for like the category, because total seats ही अब 90 है, so like 31 for general, तो SC, ST, OBC per college 2-3 seat होगी. So it's not that like a huge difference is there. Of course there is a difference, and there are a lot of private colleges in Maharashtra. We have 84 private colleges in Maharashtra. मतलब कि these include places like Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Jalgaon, Akola, Ahmednagar, Nained, Nagpur, Ratnagiri, etc. So of course like it depends कि आपको कहाँ पे चाहिए account, like if you're okay to leave your city, if you stay in Akola, so if you're okay to leave your city and come to Mumbai, then that's good. But there are good colleges elsewhere also, but the main hub and the main जहाँ पे you will get a good clinical exposure and everything is of course Mumbai and then Pune. So I'll just list the colleges in Mumbai once for y'all. ना intake है. We have KJ Somaiya, which has 100 intake, Terna Physiotherapy College 100, MGM 30, and then we have one DPO Net in Thane which has 40, Lokmanya Tilak in has 50, YMT has 100. There is a SIA Physiotherapy College in Dombivali which has 40. BR Harne 60, which is in Thane, and we have AIMS, which is again in Dombivali, which has 60. So these colleges are not government, but they are not deemed proper. They are like semi-private or semi-government colleges, whatever you want to call it. So basically, इस colleges की fees would be comparatively higher than the government colleges for sure until you apply that EWS or take the concession or whatever. But इसमें the question paper and everything is like university, government, MUHS से connected. So I feel these colleges, if you don't get into government, these colleges is a good option to consider. And I feel Mumbai, if you can, then you should definitely come to Mumbai because Mumbai has more facilities. Physiotherapy awareness is a lot more here. And clinical exposure cases, everything, the hospitals you get to visit from first year eventually is a lot better in Mumbai for sure. तो भी मुंबई का कट ऑफ like also Mumbai has a total of 580 seats जिसमें से around 250 seats are there for open category. ये like this whatever numbers I am giving you all are with respect to last year's list जो आई थी. This year थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे changes हो सकता है, like I don't until a new college opens up or something जो अभी तक I don't think so हुई है according to my news, but if it opens up then the seats might increase or else I feel itni hi hai seats. And now talking about the private. So if you want the good private colleges in Mumbai, for example KJ, Terna, MGM, so you need a good score of above 350 plus, 300 to 350 plus चाहिए होगा to get into private colleges, like good private colleges. And उसके बाद as a list, there are a lot of private colleges, so if you're okay in anything, so I feel around 250 plus में also you will get a good college. But अभी this NEET was that difficult कि 250 लाना भी is a big score. And talking about SC, ST everything, तो 200 up is a safe score. Of course I feel इसके नीचे भी cut off जा सकता है, but I'm just giving you all a safe score and you should definitely not wait till stray vacancy because you never know आपको क्या मिले and you just lose a better option. Stray vacancy rounds can be of course sometimes very rewarding also, but why to take a risk, right? After all of these, we have something known as IQ and management quota, जिसमें you have to approximately pay like 3x the fees and get admission. So people usually do that like KJ, Terna, ये सब like all the private colleges में होता है. So there are like a few number of seats which are left for them only, the IQ management quota people. So I feel कि of course physiotherapy में भी there is a good competition if you want a good decent college. like government में तो है ही because there are only 90 seats, उसमें भी only 31 for general category, and here also, and then for Mumbai also we have 580, जिसमें से approximately 250 is for open category, which is of course very less because if you see the entries, तो around for Maharashtra 1 से 2 लाख के ऊपर एंट्री आती है. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट एवरीवन इज एमिंग फॉर फिजियोथेरेपी. अगर किसी को सेकंड थर्ड राउंड में एमबीबीएस लग गया, दे विल रिमूव देयर नेम्स, बट इतने रजिस्ट्रेशंस. तो आफ्टर मुंबई, वन सिटी which you should opt for is definitely Pune, which has some great college like CMF college. Then we have Sancheti, which is one of the best colleges. We have Modern Physiotherapy College and all of that. एंड उसका कट ऑफ वुड बी ऑल्सो अराउंड 200 प्लस में मिल जाएगा in the first second round for sure. Of course, it is completely your choice if you stay somewhere in Ratnagiri, Nagpur, or whatever, and if you don't want to go away from home, you can opt for the best college there. But if not, you should definitely. These were the like the top colleges in Maharashtra ka approximate cutoff. Also, one more thing, like in the recent curriculum, they have said like all India quota, they will give some sort of importance in the physiotherapy के admissions. Previously it was completely like Maharashtra, but ये साल AIQ से भी हो सकता है. So if the AIQ factor comes in, for example, the admissions or some amount of seats are given to all India quota, तो भी the cutoff would slightly increase, not much, because the dominance of course will be for Maharashtra state. पर AIQ से भी you might also go to some different state and study if the college there is better than what you have gotten in Maharashtra or something like that. And to get into the state quota, one very important document is the domicile certificate कि आप एक महाराष्ट्र के resident हो. It is very important and वो पूछेंगे ही, and उसको बनने में and everything भी time लगता है. So one suggestion I would give you कि make your domicile certificate as soon as possible. And if the things work smoothly and अगर कोई scam नहीं हुआ या कुछ भी रीनीट नहीं हुई, कुछ भी if don't work, if like no mess up happens with the score and everything, so this would definitely be the rough cutoff only. Repeating once again, for government colleges in Maharashtra around 400 to 420 plus. For category SC, ST, OBC, EWS and everything, around 390, 380 plus is a safe score. Coming to private semi-government colleges in Mumbai, the safe score would be like around 250 to 300. If college चाहिए तो of course 300 plus, or else 250 plus में also you will get a decent college. And private, the two best colleges which I feel is KJ and Sancheti, but of course it varies for like every other person because a lot of criteria भी होता है, like fees. अगर आपको KJ की fees ज़्यादा लगती है, you can opt for something else if you feel the clinical exposure is not good there. Before putting any college, we need to research everything very well, right? Also, I'll just roughly explain you all how the counseling process works because I just did it last year and it is very fresh in my mind. So आप लोग को भी एक rough idea है what you should be prepared for. So after the results, after a few weeks or something, the site will open जहाँ पे admission होता है. CET की site पे admission process होता है. So उसके बाद cap round start होता है. तो सबसे पहले एमबीबीएस का स्टार्ट होता है, और जैसे ही एमबीबीएस का सेकेंड राउंड खत्म होता है या स्टार्ट होता है, तो फिजियोथेरेपी का फर्स्ट राउंड चालू होता है. बिफोर दैट, बिफोर द कैप राउंड, यू हैव टू डू रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग. तो रजिस्ट्रेशन में बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट योर नीट एवरीथिंग एंड like all the details about you कि ये मेरा ये है, like name, birth, address, this, that, all of like the registration form. उसके बाद there's like a entire list of documents you need to upload, and then the cap round starts. जिसमें you have to like set the colleges in priority order. So cap 1, cap 2, cap 3 ऐसे 3 round, and if you don't want the admission there, you can wait for the next round. But I feel it's better to secure and like वो confirmation form नहीं भरने का अगर better college मिली next time, तो you have to of course opt for that. And like this is overall how the counseling process works, which is a big process and a lot of mistakes can be made. So I'll just be sharing like the entire process for sure with you all. Of course, a lot of you all would not choose physiotherapy as your first option like me because I never thought I would do physiotherapy. But at this point, I'm very happy after going to postings, attending lectures, and इतना practical knowledge मिलने के बाद I just feel it is a very growing and a very good course. So अगर आपका like of course if you want MBBS you should take a drop अगर आपका ये first या second attempt था. But if this exam was definitely difficult, it was not easy. I understand. But अगर आपका third drop है or something like that, and if you genuinely want to work in healthcare, physiotherapy is definitely a very good option for you all. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was informative for you all and आप लोग को समझा what I want to tell you about the cutoff, how I'm analyzing it, how it works and all of that. What colleges are there, किधर मिल सकता है, किधर नहीं मिलेगा, कितने score में मिलेगा and everything. If you all still have any doubts related to anything, even if it's like the smallest doubt, you can drop them down in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply to all of them. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and it was informative. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share it with your other NEET aspirants as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.